Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to unbox a power bank from Xiaomi. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank named power bank 2i, and this is from MI App Store. You can download it from Play Store. I'll leave the link in the description. And as you can see, there is some kind of written information on the box which shows the charge timings for different phones like MI A1 and iPad mini and etc. And there's a box, and if you open the box there is another box which in which we have our power bank. And this is like opening. We have a booklet in here which gives a brief information about the power bank and discharge and charge ratings of the power banks also. As you can see, the charge and discharge ratings are mentioned over here. The upper one is charge and the lower one is discharge. We don't have any screen on the power bank, so we don't know how much percentage is present in the power bank. So this is a way to know what percentage is it having now. This, and there's a precautions and some warning notations back here. Store the power bank in a cool place, not more than 60 degrees Celsius. And if you're buying this power bank, please read these precautions and these warning signs and then proceed. We have a USB cable, USB to micro USB cable in here, not USB type C. Keep in that mind. This is a good quality but a small cable, which is quite enough because we'll carry our power bank in our pockets or we'll place it back of our phone, which is natural. And they have written the 10,000 mAh in a big letters. We have input and output ratings. The output rating is 5 volts 2 amperes, and the input is, we have to see, 5 volts 2 amperes means 10 watts, which is quite medium charging, not fast charging, but it's okay. We have a power button over here, two USB slots, big size USB, we can charge two phones at a time, and one small micro USB to charge this power bank. And if you own this power bank, we have two LED lights blinking, which means around 25 to 30% of power charge is present in this power bank. And let's take a try and test this power bank. And I bought my phone here. Let's plug it in it and let's check whether it's working or not. The Sorry for the lighting conditions, guys. I'm shooting with my phone, so the clarity must be worse, but I'll show you in clear whether it is charging or not. Now the LEDs are blinking, which means we have connected a device to it. Let me show you whether it is charging or not. As you can see, it is charging. If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.